Hello everyone, today we're here at Dinosaur Island in Park Pampanga. We're gonna go ahead and see T-Rex and other dinos. And these are the rates. Come on, Dada, let's go! Wow! Hold the teeth of the dino.
Hold the tip.
You point? Looks, yeah. Hindi na point na! That's dinosaur! Yay! Go, love! It's okay, it's not a real dino. Dinos are extinct. Breeden! Hi, mommy! It's so nice here. I can hear all the dinos making noises. Let's go, Dada. Wow, that's a really big dino, Bri. I wonder what dino is this? Really tall neck. Look, the dino is opening his mouth. Wow. Roar. Nah, the dino makes sound. Nah, roar.
Dino train. Oh, danger. 1,000 volts.
Dinosaur. What happened to this dino, boy? Look. Stegosaurus. Bray, I think this dino is Miss Rachel's favorite. Look, it has a really tall neck. Oh, there's dino, Bray. The dino is happy. Bray, this is Pterosaur. Bye-bye, Pterosaur. T-Rex encounter. We're gonna go inside to see T-Rex. Yay! Uh-oh. Really big one, Bray. Look, lab, they're feeding the dino. Go, T-Rex, eat. Yum, 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 yum. Ah, it's a really big. Yo, T-Rex, you're so loud.
Another dinosaur bed.
Nah, there's egg, Bray, oh, and there's a baby dino.
Baby dino.
What's that? A dino? Rawr.
Say rar.
Say rawr. Nag-open yung eyes, Dad.
Gani. Wow. The tail is moving. Wow. Hi, dino. Let's go. Wow, what's that sound? On duty, no trespassing. Wow. Look.
This dino is Allosaurus. He's inside a cage lab, so he won't come out and bite us. Oh, Dada, careful!
Open your eyes. Warning, warning. This property is protected by raptors. God, there's so many raptors, Braden. Oh, Braden.
That's Triceratops. Let's go na. We done?
Oh, it's moving, it's moving. Dinosaur Island. Wow, mommy, Dinosaur Island.
This is a teeth, right?
Teeth, oh, so big teeth, Braden.
Hard. And this very loud dino is Spinosaurus. Hi! Wow, they're digging up. I wonder what are they looking for. Whoa! We're going inside the cave. A dinosaur. May dinosaur na rin.
There's a dinosaur, Braden.
Hello, dino.
Mommy, may nakuyawan.
Ay! Kala ko may makaratan. Wow! Oh, hello, kaluwi sa dino, break. La 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 la! Wala kapas! Nakuyawan? Wow, very big kayo ang bones na dino! Brian. Hadlok gid no dako kag naong ba. Ako may makuyawan. Ay pa si Brady gay katawa ra.
And now we're gonna go inside to see the Dinos performance. This is gonna be so fun!
Dito po tayo Ma'am Sarah for best. Dance play! Wow! That's me! That's me! Oh, the dino's dancing! Oh, isuba ni Brayden. Uy! Hey! Good job, Dino!
Ice cream break! Little lang, little.
Spider's over there. Oh dear. Spider's there.
Wow, you happy here? You like it here?
Whoa, what's that sound?
What's the sound?
It's a beetle breathing. It's a big beetle.
The beetle, bro.
Can you point where's the beetle?
big one, mommy.
Look, oh, it's moving.
It's moving, Braden. The beetle's moving.
That's a bee? Wow. And this is ladybug. This one, love, what's this? It's a bee.
Pop the bubble, Bray! Go, love. Watch your step, ha? Yay! Thank you, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. You wave.